it's not like a scraping tool. So, but it does cost money. So it's a substitute, and it only happens about like maybe 5% of the time, 2% of the time. Of all 100 leads, we'll get like two that have to go through this. And then we get the business intelligence part either way, which is what we're gonna get into now. So here we're gonna actually have to start thinking from a strategic standpoint, because here on this module is where we're starting to sort of put some decision making into this flow. So in the copywriting that I have here, what are the things that I'm looking for? Name, I already have from the sheet. Company name, I already have from the Google sheet. Their offer, this is not something that I have. And their buyer, it's also not something that I have. Their offer again, and their industry, this is something that I could have, but I'm just going to use AI to give me that value. So I have a couple of leads I can send your way in their offer. And now it's gonna start getting a little bit tricky. So we're gonna go ahead and their offer. Let's see what we're getting. So if you look into this right here, let's just make sure it's their actual website here, and then we'll cover what is going on. Company website for absolute conversion. Okay, so the goal for this is to take the raw markdown of a website, all of the HTML, and transform into actual useful data. Okay, so some things that we're trying to know about them. They serve B2B, B2C, for example. If they're uh, if they're an e-com marketing agency, then they're serving B2C. I need to understand that they serve to B2C. I need to understand that they're not working with businesses, they're working with people, because that wording will resonate with them better if used in an intelligent way. Because if I were to visit their website, I would know, right? So the AI needs to know. So we're getting their website copy, summarized copy, who they are, what they do, and why. So like why do they do what they do? What they call their buyer word, what they call someone who buys from them, could be a client, could be a homeowner, a car buyer, could be many different things. So one client, I'm gonna be looking for one client that they work with. I've already tried this angle, didn't work out. I'm not gonna try it again right now, but I'm just gonna leave it here just because it's gonna cost me nothing. Yeah, I just don't really want to change right now. So they're offering one to specific words specialty service. This is good. This is what we're going to be using. So if they sell e-commerce websites, then my copy, for example, says, "Are you signing enough e-commerce website clients? We e-commerce web design clients." So this would be e-commerce web design, and this would be clients. Okay, does that make sense? Those are very specific things that I could only get from this sort of business intelligence stuff. So, yeah, this makes sense. So, I already have their offering here and what they call their client. So, this is all I need for now, and the rest I already have from the sheet. So, there's not that much to change. If you get the blueprint to this, it already comes with okay, there's gonna be some things to change here for sure from my last run that I overcomplicated everything. But shoot, where was I? Oh, so this actually comes with the prompt, and then you can get creative with the prompt. The part where you get creative with the prompt is this is what you are getting from this is what you're telling the AI to get. This is the kind of data, their website copy, their plain website copy, all of the words on their website. Okay. If you don't understand that, you should. If you're watching this video, you should at least have like a little bit of knowledge on what's going on. If not, like I would work on the principles first. So, summarize web copy and just all these little things that we can get from them. So yeah, so we're gonna just actually copy this prompt that I know I took out some things.